Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset and undo custom display on Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do on our keyboard is to press Windows key plus I. After that, you should be able to open your settings. And then what we're going to do next is to tap our tab key 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then after that, you should be able to click on display and then click on enter. After that, once you're now on the display, just click your tab once again 8 times. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after that, you should be able to see the scale. Now, just click on enter. And then what we're going to do is to click our arrow up on our keyboard 5 times. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that, just click on enter once again. Now, as you can see, we now have changed our scale on our device, which we will now be able to use. So all you have to do is to change it once again, however you want to, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.